How to make a bootable USB drive on Windows. A bootable USB is super convenient to have on hand if you need to install or repair an operating system on your computer. Some operating systems can be booted from a USB drive. You can easily make your own bootable USB that's equipped with the operating system of your choosing. Things you should know. A bootable USB drive is useful if you want to install a new operating system or repair an existing operating system. Windows has its own recovery drive tool you can use to create a bootable Windows USB. You can use Rufus on Windows or Balena Etcher on Mac to create a bootable USB drive. Download or create an image file if you have an image file such as ISO, image, USB or VHD file that you want to turn into a bootable USB drive. Great! If not, you can create a disk image file from an existing CD, DVD, Blu-ray or from existing files on folders. For example, if you want to make a bootable Ubuntu drive, you can download the ISO of Ubuntu at https ubuntu.com. Download desktop. Download Rufus. Rufus is a free lightweight tool that comes widely recommended by developers and product specialists across the internet. Number 1. To download Rufus, go to https rufus.ie in a web browser. Scroll down the page and click the first link under the download header. It be the latest version of the tool, version 3.1 as of November 2022. Number 2. If the download doesn't start automatically, right-click the link and click Save Links. Select a location you want to save the file to and click Save. If you see an ad when you click the link, simply click Close to the ad and start the file download. Double-click the download file. It's the file for Rufus 0.21 exe. The version number may vary. By default, downloaded files can be found in your download folder. Double-click the file in your downloads folder or within your web browser to run Rufus. If prompted, click Yes to allow Rufus to make changes to your system. Insert your USB flash drive. Make sure to use a drive that's large enough to cover the size of your image file. Warning: creating a bootable disk will overwrite and erase any data that is already on the USB drive. If there are any files on the USB drive that you don't want to lose, be sure to back them up before you start. You will also not be able to use the USB drive to store files or data after it is made into a bootable disk. Select your USB drive from the device menu. It's at the top of the Rufus window. Select ISO image. Use the drop-down menu next to the file name bar to select ISO image. ISO image files include ISO, image, VHD, USB, and more. Select your image file. To do so, click the image file you want to select and then click Open in the lower right corner. This updates the volume level field to match what's in the ISO. If you want to give the drive another name, you can replace the text with anything you wish. The remaining settings should be fine in their default state, but feel free to change any parameters if you need to. Click Start to create the drive. Rufus will now copy the image file to drive, which will make the drive bootable upon completion. This may take several minutes. When the drive is ready, click Close at the bottom right to exit Rufus.